My favorite memories was probably one sewing workshop. The professor came in and he was just so excited about making a bag, and it really stuck with me because it showed me how having access to these resources can really grow your confidence.
When Quinn and I did the open mic series here at the front of the library, it was really fun and we just love seeing the videos pop up on our feeds.
I think my favorite memories is my coworkers, and there's a good lot of us who also started when the Makerspace first opened.
When I would work really early in the morning and I would be sent to go get books from the shelves, and I would just be walking through the stacks and I could listen to music and it would just be very peaceful.
One of the most notable experiences that I had working here at the library is a collection that I was working on Don Tosti, who recently had their whole collection donated. He was a founder of Pachuco Boogie, which I think is pretty entertaining, and I enjoyed learning a little bit more about that.